I'm Michael from Protostar, and in this short video I will explain what employee engagement means and how we use the movie model of employee engagement to assess it. Before we can survey employees and assess their level of engagement, we need to understand what employee engagement looks like. To start with, it is more than simply being satisfied with a job or an employer. An engaged employee feels and says positive things about the organisation they work for and is proud to be working there. In fact, it's part of their identity as they see themselves as part of that organisation and act as a great ambassador for it. But there is more. They feel motivated when at work. They throw themselves into achieving their objectives and actively support their colleagues to ensure they do too. Overall, they are happy working there and don't have any major issues with things like their pay, working conditions, or the training that's been provided. And very importantly, they like working for their manager. As employee engagement is this multifaceted psychological contract they have with their employer, when you run an engagement survey, it too needs to look at those component parts. Since 2007 at Protostar, we've been surveying employees for clients around the world and have spoken to thousands of employees at focus groups. Combined with extensive academic research, we have developed the movie model of employee engagement. While all of our employee surveys are tailored to the client's needs, they all have the movie model of employee engagement at their core. M is for management, and in this part of the survey, we look at how the individual is managed on a day-to-day basis. In particular, we look to see if they are clear on what is expected of them, how well they are doing, and what they could do to improve. We also look at how they are treated and their level of trust in their manager. The O is for organisation, and in this part of the survey we look at the organisation's values and strategic goals, along with the confidence staff have in the way the organisation has been led. We also look at how effective communication is within the organisation. The V stands for vitality. Are they motivated? How is their well-being? Are they confident speaking up? Do they feel they belong and can they be themselves? The I is for those good old intrinsic factors we all learned about when studying management. These are aspects of the job itself. Are they able to achieve results? Are they continually learning? And do they find their work interesting and enjoyable? Lastly, it will come as no surprise that we look at extrinsic factors such as their pay, benefits, and their physical working conditions, which in recent times also probably means home or hybrid working. Then we assess how their team functions and collaborates. The movie model of employee engagement allows us to look at all the typical factors that influence motivation and engagement at work. And once the survey is complete, we will analyse the results and help you act so that employee engagement is enhanced. If you would like to see a sample survey or talk to us about how we tailor our surveys to meet your needs using your branding and language, just get in touch. We've recently won Best Employee Survey Specialists 2 years in a row, so you'll be in safe hands. I look forward to hearing from you and starting the survey, analyse and act journey with you.